We are back with this 1990 FC RX-7. I'm here with the owner, Eric. You may remember him from a certain FD RX-7 video, and we just filmed his S2000, which I'll probably upload before this. So you've made some changes to the RX-7 since we last drove it. Yeah. Biggest complaint from you, from me, from everyone who drove it was gearing was too tall for the power. You've put 4.88 in here?
4.88.
Oh, it's going to be so good. I can't wait.
Yeah.
Any other changes?
Yeah, so that was the big one because this came with 4.1, the same across all the platforms.
Yeah.
The earlier ones only rev to 7.
Okay.
So it kind of made more sense. This revs to 8. All the turbos rev to 7. So this was kind of just like, I guess they didn't think it through. It was just cost savings. So this made a huge difference. Great. Now the speedometer is crazy. I can't fix that.
Sure.
If anybody knows, like, let me know. I need to fix the speedometer.
Speedo regear.
Yeah, but also this didn't have an LSD, so I put a Cusco 1.5 LSD in here.
Okay, cool.
I redid all the bushings in the rear, so the subframe bushings, the diff bushings. What else? Endless pads, a lot less brake dust. And
oh yeah, these wheels were black by the end of the day last time.
HP Plus.
Yeah.
I mean, they stop about as good, but the dust is crap.
Cool.
So these are way better.
Great.
Stickier tires, and then a lot of weight savings. So
awesome.
I made a custom titanium exhaust for this. So the exhaust was 58 pounds. Now it's 8.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And then I put an anti-gravity battery in here.
Okay.
Manual steering rack. And then a bunch of little things I just got rid of, like the rear wiper and whatnot. So all in all, it's like 100 pounds lighter.
Wow. What seats are these again?
These are from the Infini model. So in Japan, they came out with an Infini, like it's a turbo model over there. So it's a Mazda seat.
Awesome. It looks so cool. You've got the seat belts that wrap around you when you get in.
Yeah, love it. And then I just recently put the spoon rigid collars too. Just because I figured it's such an old chassis. Mm-hmm. Anything to help keep it tight.
Sweet.
But other than that, it's pretty much it's all stock powertrain. It's been super reliable, so I'm just trying to keep it like this for now.
Awesome.
In the future, definitely want to go lightweight flywheel.
Yeah, that would help.
Yeah.
Cool. So Mazda 13B, naturally aspirated, 2-rotor.
160 from this factory.
Cool.
With the exhaust, maybe an extra couple.
Yeah. All right, let's go drive it. Yeah. I love it. This was the most impressive handling car the day we had it in the canyons. It was just incredible.
Oh, because you didn't expect much, right?
Sure. Yeah. No. You know, it was so fun to just hustle through, and I keep looking back for my seatbelt.
So don't forget the bottom one. This one latches. It's all the way in the corner.
Oh, okay.
Corner.
So let's see. Oh yeah, I feel it. Okay, it just goes right there.
Yeah.
Nice safety.
Yeah. Oh, and then I put a quick release, brings the steering wheel closer.
Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah, I can feel that.
That was the main reason why I did that.
Uh-oh.
Try again. I think it may be the battery.
Battery?
Anti-gravity battery.
Shit. All right, we got it started. We did not get it on camera though. So, try this again here. Lap belt in the back. Got it. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I like the position of this wheel now. This feels just right up there. Perfect. Down.
Super touchy. Super touchy.
Second gear is your friend. Yeah, the thing that I was most surprised about with this car initially was just how easy it was to drive. Oh yeah, I can feel the gearing already. Yeah. It's happy. Manual steering feels amazing. It feels so much better, Eric. This is great.
Well, you know, things take time.
Yeah, of course. I mean, it's a process.
Exactly.
love how silky smooth the rotary is at Redline. It's just amazing.
So there's no rev limiter, and there's no beep or anything on this one. Like, it doesn't work. So you can rev it up to 8, but just try not to go past it.
Sure. Driver rev limiter.
Yeah.
Little backfire there.
So, no ABS. But the tires hold up.
Oh, they hold up so well. Yep, this is right. Such a fun little car, such a underappreciated platform too. Mazda did such a good job with this. And then you've just taken it to the next level.
I'm trying to show the NA rotary love because everyone loves FD, or everyone wants a turbo RX-7.
Of course.
This thing, I get in all the time. It's always been reliable, other than that battery thing. But
That's great.
it's been solid. It's just so much fun, so raw.
Yeah. I love the manual steering. It's heavy.
It's heavy.
I'm
yeah.
having to muscle this wheel around. Before you guys start chiming off in the comments about my hand positioning, I need to do this. I'm not Vin Diesel.
Definitely you can't do one-handed.
Nope. Ah.
But now you got a lot of confidence out on the corners too with that diff.
You really do.
Yeah. And it's quiet. It doesn't clunk like the S2K one.
Yeah, sure. Fantastic. We'll find a good spot to turn around. Take note of the cyclists. It's a good day in the canyons.
Can't rush first and second, but all the rest of the gears feel pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the revs drop, the shifter, everything, all of your inputs are just so nice and strong and solid.
It's a manly car.
It really is. I mean, you look at it and you don't think it'd be just like, you really gotta, you gotta work out in this thing. It's awesome. Front end is so good. And it's still a slow ratio.
It's even slower now.
Is it okay?
Yeah, because this rack was on the 86, 87, certain versions of that year. So it's a Mazda rack, but yeah, it's a 20-to-1 versus 17-to-1.
Okay. Yeah, last time we drove this was power steering. I just love how you can just stay into the throttle around a corner.
It's fun everywhere.
It's so much fun. You guys can't see it, but I am grinning. Awesome. Ah. Well done, sir.
Appreciate it. Glad you liked it.
We're just driving all your cars.
We got my Miata next when I'm done with that one.
Yes.
That's gonna be my track car.
I'm just gonna turn here. That's a great track car. There we go.
So what do you think in comparison to the S2K?
Man,
They're so different, right?
they're so different.
They're so different, but both like raw drivers cars.
Okay, so the S2000 is engine dominates the experience in that car, and then this, everything else dominates the experience. And the engine is amazing, but it doesn't have that like crazy power. The steering is awesome.
So,
Do you like this manual rack or the power rack better?
I like the manual rack because all my cars are power.
Okay, it's something
This is
different.
Something different.
Yeah, I liked the turn in and like the immediacy of that auto rack, but again, you didn't have a lot of feel. This is so much
Auto
fun.
rack is faster.
Sure.
I can go way faster.
Of course.
But this one, yeah, it's just about feel. This car's about feel.
It matches the weight of like the shifter though, and like it feels it
feels right.
It feels right, yeah.
Yeah. So if I were to do anything to it, it would be engine stuff. But
Sure.
since it's been running so reliably, so good, so far,
Leave it, yeah.
leave it. So I have an issue.
Just put a regular battery back in there.
And then put a regular battery back in. I'm like really trying, like every ounce. Like
Sure,
this
I know.
thing has 4 tow hooks.
Yeah.
4, one in each corner.
Wow.
And the one in the rears are like 3 pounds.
Wow.
It's
Yeah.
a chunky thing.
Graham
So-
strategy.
Yeah, so I just took all that stuff out. Took the washer bottle, the rear wiper, any little thing I can get rid of, just got rid of it.
It adds up. It's amazing how much you feel
It
it.
feels like a car that has full interior. Like it's not
Sure.
crazy.
And it, you put both of us in there, and I'm sure it feels way
It feels
different.
better with just one person.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah,
That's the way it always is.
Yeah, especially with a car like this with a torque.
I'm glad you changed out the brake pads because yeah, they have similar bite. They feel great still, but
Look at the difference.
the wheels. I mean, this has been
That's
running hard
endless.
all morning.
That's endless for you.
Yeah, that's great. I'm gonna have to do endless pads on the S2000 because I love the bite of the HPS 5.0s that we have on there, but they're so dusty, it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, hey, thanks again for coming out today. It's great to see you again.
for
We'll
having me,
get
man.
your Miata one of these days.
Yeah, when I'm done,
Yeah.
here in town, we'll
Bring it
set
out.
up.
Well, maybe we'll do it on the track. Take it to Buttonwillow or something.
Yeah.
So
that'd be fun.
yeah,
That'd be fun.
sweet. Thanks again for watching. Again, we'll put all the mods in the description. We'll get some more details from Eric on that. But stay tuned for some more videos out here in LA. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll see you later.